now I'll go to the primitives. Okay, the primitives, which is different than joints. This is to arrest some extra degree of freedom which is available in your assembly. So most of the time we are using the joints only. So this is if you want to arrest a particular direction. Example, now what happened, now there is the planar joint already we have. In that we want to arrest 1 degree of freedom, that we can do it here, or we can arrest the degree of freedom only using a joint primitives. So I will explain to you what is joint primitives now. Okay, and we have 2 parts and both are rotating like this. Okay, both are rotating like this. Now you want to have parallelism between these 2 parts always. What you can do, use the parallel joint. Pick the first part, pick the second part, first axis. About this axis, always this is parallel. You can see now while running, this is always parallel. So this is very simple. The same way, if I go for perpendicular, this 2 part always perpendicular. You can see that. Between this part to this part, this is my other axis. You can see here. This is with respect to, now I will make it slower. With respect to this axis, this is always slower. Okay, see, always perpendicular. Sorry. Okay, the same way what I can do here, it is orientation. You can set the particular orientation. This is to make it everything in plane. See now what happened now, you can see here. We keep it like this, we run the analysis, this is false. What I want is, I want to keep it with respect to this plane only. Sorry, you have to select the geometry. First part, second part location, and here this direction. That means it won't fall now. At particular direction, only 1 degree of freedom will arrested. Remaining all 5 degree of freedom is currently present in this assembly. So this is very user friendly to arrest each and every degree of freedom and make it very easy to. This is most of the time we use when there is this kind of parallelism you want to make, or perpendicularity you want to make, or if you want to make only one plane you want to arrest, or you want to make always inline. This is very peculiar. This one I will explain to you how it is going to work. Okay, so now I am going to delete this. So beautiful thing actually it is. Okay, so now inline. I am going to rotate this part, and I am going to create one more part like this. Okay, this one also I am going to rotate like this. So what I am going to do, I am going to create inline this part to this part, from this point to this point I always inline. Okay, you can see here this 2 point always inline. You can see here always inline. It won't go like this. You know, it is always goes. It always, this point always sees this point. So it is peculiar design analysis. You can utilize this kind of joints for your analysis. Hopefully you understood that.